Hello everyone and welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in this lecture, let's learn the importance of biology in quantum computing. So firstly, what is this quantum computing? So quantum computing is a new type of computing that simply uses the principles of quantum mechanics like superposition, entanglement to process information in ways that classical computers cannot. So let's understand the importance of biology in quantum computing. So basically, quantum computing helps in drug discoveries. So it helps in drug discoveries, it helps in medicine discoveries, because quantum computing has a lot of computational power compared with classical computers. Hence, that's why quantum computing plays a huge role in biology. It plays a huge role and helps in drug discoveries, medicine discoveries. It helps in protein folding processes. And it also helps in genomics, genes related things, by simulating molecular interactions. So basically, quantum computing helps in drug discoveries, medicine discoveries, genomics, simply by simulating molecular interactions. Now, it offers tools for biological data analysis in systems like biology and neuroscience. So these are the importance of biology in quantum computing. Thank you so much.